Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a grid in IsPaint X. First, open the application and create a new canvas or open an existing project. Grids are incredibly useful tools for artists, helping you maintain accuracy and consistency in your drawings. They provide a structured framework, making it easier to align elements and achieve balanced compositions. Let's get started with setting up your first grid. To access the grid tools, look for the ruler icon located at the top of your screen. Tapping this icon will open a menu with various drawing aids. From this menu, simply select the grid option. Immediately, a default grid will overlay your canvas, providing an initial framework for your artwork. This is your starting point for precise drawing. Now, let's customize your grid to suit your specific needs. Within the grid settings, you'll find sliders to adjust the spacing between grid lines, perhaps setting it to 25 pixels for detailed work. You can also modify the thickness of the lines, making them more or less prominent. Furthermore, choose a grid color that contrasts well with your artwork, ensuring optimal visibility while you draw. With your customized grid in place, you can now use it as a powerful guide for your drawing. Whether you're sketching characters or designing complex scenes, the grid will assist with proportions and alignment. When you no longer need the grid, simply tap the ruler icon again and deselect the grid option to hide it. You can always bring it back whenever you need it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.